Long before the tourists flocked to its picturesque canals, Venice was a thriving empire known for its wealth, artistry, and intricate politics, a city that had woven itself into the fabric of history. As a hub of trade and culture, Venice transformed into a powerful republic ruled by doges and enriched by merchants who navigated distant seas in search of treasures. The city's prosperity attracted artists and thinkers, leading to a flourishing of art and intellect that defined the Renaissance spirit as Venice became a beacon of creativity and innovation. Yet as time passed, the allure of Venice began to fade, overshadowed by political strife and changing trade routes, leaving its once bustling markets eerily silent. The forgotten empire of Venice slowly succumbed to the tides of history, becoming a shadow of its former self, yet it still whispered stories of glory through its timeless canals and weathered facades. Though the tourists now flood its streets, the spirit of the forgotten empire lingers, a reminder of the rich tapestry of history that continues to enchant those who seek its deeper stories. As the evening falls, echoes of laughter and debate from its noble past can almost be heard, a testament to a city that once held sway over the seas and the hearts of many. Yet within the depths of Venice's hidden archives lie untold secrets waiting patiently for those curious enough to unveil the mysteries woven into its history. With each turn of the key, the past comes alive, revealing tales of intrigue, betrayal, and adventure that shaped the destiny of this enchanting city. As researchers delve into these treasured documents, they decipher stories that breathe life into the silence, shedding light on the vibrant history that shaped Venice's identity. In the shadows of its elaborate festivals, secrets intertwined with masks and merriment, concealing whisperings of power and passion that defined an era. Beneath its beautiful facade, Venice harbors darker tales of jealousy and vengeance, where the very architecture once concealed the whispers of those who dared defy the Republic. Yet amid the revelry and chaos, the essence of Venice remains a constant reminder of resilience, forever navigating the currents of change while clinging to its storied past. As dawn breaks over its shimmering waterways, Venice awakens to the echoes of ambition and opulence, a city forever tied to the fortunes it once celebrated and the secrets it still harbors. In every corner of the city, the spirit of innovation thrives as artisans continue to weave the legacy of Venice into each masterpiece, reminding us that creativity can illuminate even the darkest of histories.